Alright guys, welcome to this our video tutorial, still on the HTML tutorial series. So I've been wanting to know how to link different files before, but I look and say if I enter the thing like that now, so it gets kind of thing, so I'm going to introduce give when I know if you follow up. And that thing and attributes at the column. So I want to use this video now to teach you now what they call attributes now. Now this attribute now, so now just something where like say that they put for the start of your HTML tag till they modify the tag. You get the attribute now, they add some kind additional information about that particular element. When I say element now, so I mean this whole stuff where you see like this now, so the h2 plus this word called join this closing tag now, so now elements now be this now. So when I say element now, I they refer to something like this. So they use attribute now, so they add additional information now to this element, and the attributes now inside the opening tag now they always they put on. So the way the thing be like the attribute now again name, it get in name because there plenty where different type of attribute now there. So the attribute now get in name. So when you specify the particular attribute where you want to use now, when you don't put the name now, the next thing what you do, you can put the value for that attribute. So you just put the name, you can say it's equals to so value, you get. So because I don't teach you now this list for the last class now, I could just use opportunity now to use and teach you attribute, because from now on most of the tags will be like say I go show now. Most of the tags I go show now, we go to use attribute well. Yeah? Most of the time I show now, we could use attribute well. So what I want to be say, I want to just show now how attribute be quickly. So I go start with my, I'm not going to use my ordered, this my, I'm not going to use my ordered list here, abi? Okay, ma start with the ordered list, my is ordered list starter. So what I go do be say, I go show now that they write the ordered list. Now, for this, my ordered list opening tag now, so what I go do, I'll come here, I'll call say type. So this type now, so now attribute be. Now just word now it is saying this type now attribute be. If I just write the type like this now, so it not change anything for this place. It not change anything. Why? Because I never give the type value. So what I want to be say, this my ordered list now, so you know say ordered list now, when you want to say something they ordered, not only 1, 2, 3 now if you do now. If you say A, B, C, D like that, if you use Roman figure to do one. So HTML now give us that functionality to specify attribute type, to specify the type of attribute now where like say we want use to specify how our ordered list will look like now. And to do one, my system very hit again. And to do one now, what we go do be say, as I specify the type now, because this type now is equals to, this type is equals to A. Now when I say capital letter A like this now, this HTML now it don't know say okay, you know we don't want this our squad now. Make the thing they show, make the thing come as number again. We want our squad now. We want our squad, may our squad be. We want our squad, may our squad come outside as alphabet, and the alphabet now all of them go be like they go be capital letters. So if I come this place now and I run now, you see I say the thing don't change now. It's taking a picking a B, sitting a C. So you don't go now reach measure the K for here now. So now attributes now they do this thing now. See I say it be like magic just now. It all work. Because now the browser don't detect okay, this my HTML don't change. You don't want this ordered list now to just come outside as the default where be 1, 2, 3 like that. Would you use attribute to specify say okay now alphabets now want to make it be the order of the list now. So I feel coin here now and say if I also can I want capital letter, I want to have maybe small letter, I'll put small letter A. If I put small letter A now, you see I say the attribute does change. You see I say does the I see the attribute, the list now, the thing does change to small letter A then. See I say they work like this now. I feel coin here now say I go specify 1 for the default. Now see the same thing as if you come out this one, but might just specify 1 as default. If I specify and I don't go back to our figures and our number we see for it before. So to change out to Roman figure now, if you come here now, I could just put small letter I. As I put small letter I like this now, you see I say it don't come to Roman figure. I think if I put a capital letter I safe, the thing will turn to Roman figure for the capital side. You see share the same now. So now attributes now they enable us now to do these modifications for inside our tags now. A very nice stuff. A very nice stuff. So we will get attributes now self where be like say if we run I go start to do the counting for another place. If we run and I go start to do the counting for another place. Just imagine say come where you know the disturb. Just imagine say I change this type now to like man change to like man of change yourself. Man just come out for man come out the type now, man leave on default. I say start. If I say start, I may start the counting for like 23. If I put 23 now, see that happen now. It start the counting for 23. It don't say 23, 24, goes like 33 like this now. So now attribute now that they cause all these modifications now. Attribute now they cause all these modifications now. So many nice things they will be like say this attribute they do, and not only this one so I show on that day. Even for the unordered list, the unordered list now they get their attribute. If you see the way the unordered list be now, you see I say the default for the unordered list. Now the default now just this circle now the show. I feel we change the circle self, make the thing be another thing now. And for me to do one now, I go see come this UL now. No come the LIO. Now the UL now will come. So when I come the UL now, I'll come specify the attribute what I want for that UL. And see what I go do now. Come here now. I go say I'm not go say type I no say type and style. Not the UL alone. I'll say I want the style now. Maybe list style. List style type. Even this one they write like this now, so na CSS. Na CSS. List type disk. So the default na circle because now be the disk now. But if I sorry, the default na disk now because another one there be circle. If I come here now say circle now. See I say it don't change to circle now. Even this way you see like this na CSS now they work for here so because this style now so na CSS. So when that CSS you gonna understand this one better now. So man just leave her for here. Man leave her for here. So what you go happen now be say every other tag web like I go show up for now we go add like one attributes before inside more you see what attribute they do because this one is for here now. So every tag they get their attributes where they work for them. You get every tag get the attribute they work for them because it start work for here now. Me see start go work for inside them. Start go work for inside paragraph. More test and most as they be. And about test and before sure, but more test and most that thing will work. If I can put start now, we'll see. You see, I say not work. It not work because they not register for paragraph. They register now for only list now. You get. So now here we will take end this video. The next tutorial now I go show now how they take the add image. How they take the add image now enter inside our workspace. So I go find one kind of fine image for my system now. I'll put her for inside here. You see, and I go show you how they take the carry image enter inside browser. So just watch out for the next video. I'll still be your guy, Big Tank, or the double start. If you like the video, subscribe. If you not like you know the matter the be subscribe, make it for not lost. So I go see you now for the next tutorial. One love.